Hi, Tim here with Strictly Ceilings. In this session, we'll show you how to repair your damaged ceiling tiles, hopefully without having to purchase new ones. Fixing most of these tiles can be done quickly and easily. Let me show you how. Here we have a tile with a nicked corner. What you need to do in order to fix this is to remove all of the loose fiber. That was an easy one. Let's try one where a large chunk has been taken out of the lower edge. Apply the finishing touches and presto, you just repaired a tile that most people would have thrown out. This tile was damaged by a bad reveal cut while installing. The dark spot on this tile can be easily seen from a long distance away. The idea of repairing ceiling tiles is not so that the tile can look factory new. In some cases it may. Let's look at another common problem with ceiling tiles and how to repair them. This tile has a noticeable water stain on it. Water stained tiles are difficult to fix, but keeping your tiles looking good will give people a great impression about you when they come into your office or into your basement. Here are some additional tips for keeping tiles looking good.